In this video, I'm going to show you how to record vocals in Cakewalk Sonar. Now, the first thing you want to do when you open Cakewalk Sonar is, of course, to create a new project or open an existing one. I'm going to go and create a new one. I'm just going to click on File top left and then a new over here. And just like this, I'm going to give it a name, Test Project, like that. I'm going to leave everything like it is, and I'm just going to select Basic and click on OK. That's going to open up your project, and if you want to record vocals by default, you'll see you have 2 tracks already. But if you don't, and if they're deleted like this so you don't see anything, you can of course also create a new one by going to Insert and then Audio Track. So to record vocals, you first want to go and extend this, and you want to select the correct output and input. So for the input here, you want to select your microphone. I'm just going to use this Yeti I have over here. And then for the output, you can select whatever. I'm going to go for master. Then from here, to actually start recording your vocals, you want to go and click on this record button to make it on like this. And as you can see over here and down here at the bottom left, it actually is recognizing my voice and it knows that I'm actually speaking, which is a good sign, meaning my microphone has been recognized. Now over here, you also have this option, which is going to enable or disable input echo. And you have, of course, the options to solo or do a manual mute. It's completely up to you. And then when you are ready, you can just start recording your vocals by clicking on this record button up top or pressing R on your keyboard. And as you can see, just like this, it's actually going to allow you to record your vocals. When you're done, hit the record button, stop it, and there we go. We have my vocals in here. It's just me speaking, but of course, if I play this, you'll hear that. There we go. It's actually working, okay? So that's how to record vocals. Super simple. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.